Introduction. The text has two parts. The first part explains how to write a diary, which is a personal record of daily events, thoughts, and feelings written in the first person I. It helps a person express emotions, experiences, and reflections in a clear and personal way. The second part is about a teenage designer named Joey Luciano, who creates a sustainable fashion brand by upcycling old clothes. He teaches himself sewing and design skills using online tutorials and makes unique clothing items from second-hand materials. His designs become very popular and sell quickly online. The text also focuses on recycling, creativity, and modern sustainable fashion. Summary. Part 1, Diary Writing Guide. The first section explains what a diary is and how to write one. A diary is a personal record where a person writes about their daily life, thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It is not only used to describe events but also to express emotions such as happiness, sadness, fear, or excitement. A diary is always written in the first person, using the word I. Each entry should start with the date and day. The writer should record events in chronological order, meaning in the order they happened during the day. When writing a diary, a person should think about what happened at home, school, or outside. They should also think about special events, emotions, and lessons learned during the day. A diary is a private space, so the writer should be honest and freely express true feelings. It can also include drawings to make it more interesting. Part 2, Non-fiction text. Joey Luciano, as Fashion Genie. The second section is about a UK teenager named Joey Luciano. He is a young designer who creates sustainable fashion using recycled and second-hand materials. His story is published in a textile industry magazine. Joey started his fashion journey during the COVID-19 lockdown. Before the pandemic, he was studying art and design at college, but his course was interrupted and he could not complete his final project. During lockdown, he felt bored, unhappy, and unmotivated. To overcome this, he decided to learn sewing and fashion design on his own. He used YouTube tutorials to teach himself sewing skills. With very little experience, he began making clothes such as t-shirts, shorts, jogging bottoms, tote bags, and bucket hats. He used a sewing machine borrowed from his grandmother. All his clothes were made from old second-hand garments that he bought from thrift shops. He reused fabric pieces and turned them into new creative designs. This process is called upcycling, which means improving old materials to create something better and more valuable. Joey created a clothing collection and sold it on his website called Lo3. His designs became very popular, and most of them sold out within 15 minutes. This shows that his work was highly successful. Later, Joey bought an embroidery machine to improve his designs and add more creative details. He described his fashion style as DIY, do-it-yourself, inspired by ek no suffer patchwork fashion, and loose-fitting baggy clothing. His clothes are designed for all age groups, not just teenagers. His work shows creativity, sustainability, and innovation in modern fashion. It also promotes recycling and reducing waste by reusing old clothes. Answers of each question. A1. What led Joey Luciano to make clothes with recycled fabrics? Answer. He started making clothes during the COVID-19 lockdown when he felt bored and unmotivated and wanted to learn a new skill. A2. What skills did Joey need to make the garments, and what distinguishes them from traditional clothing manufacture? Answer. He needed sewing and design skills. His clothes are different because they are made from upcycled materials instead of mass production. A3. How would you describe the style of Joey's designs, and the intended wearers of his clothing range? Answer. His style is DIY, baggy, and no suffer patchwork. His clothes are designed for people of all ages. A4. What new piece of equipment has Joey purchased, and what kinds of design possibilities does it introduce? Answer. He bought an embroidery machine, which allows him to add detailed designs and decorations to his clothes. B1. Which compound word signals that these garments are individually created, and not intended for mass manufacture? Answer. One of a kind signals that each garment is unique and not mass-produced. B2. What associations does the word upcycle communicate, and how is it related but different to recycle? Answer. Upcycle means improving old materials to create higher value products, while recycle means reusing materials, often without improving them. C1. What do you think of Joey's fashion solution for reusing and upcycling low quality fabric and clothing remnants? Answer. It is a creative and eco-friendly idea that reduces waste and promotes sustainable fashion. 3. Grammar exercise solutions. Meaning of keywords. Upcycle. Meaning, to reuse something old and improve it into a better product. Resourceful. Meaning, able to find clever solutions to problems. Combat. Meaning, to fight against or stop something. Entire. Meaning, whole or complete. Baggy. Meaning, loose-fitting clothing. Explanation of key concepts. DIY fashion style. Answer. A style where people design and make clothes themselves. One-of-a-kind garments. Answer. Clothes that are unique and not mass-produced. Language understanding. Upcycle vs recycle. Upcycle, improve old items into better products. Recycle, reuse materials, often breaking them down first. Important MCQs with answers. Who is the main subject of the text? A. Vivienne Westwood. B. Joey Luciano. C. Manaiza Alvi. D. Alice Pung. Answer. B. Joey Luciano. What is the main theme of the passage? A. Cooking. B. Fashion designing. C. Sports. D. Travel. Answer. B. Fashion designing. What is diary writing? A. Story writing. B. Daily record of thoughts and feelings. C. Poetry. D. News report. Answer. B. Daily record of thoughts and feelings. In which person is a diary written? A. Third person. B. Second person. C. First person. D. Passive voice. Answer. C. First person. What should a diary include? A. Only facts. B. Thoughts and feelings. C. Only numbers. D. Only stories. Answer. B. Thoughts and feelings. What happened during Joey's studies? A. He completed his degree. B. His course was cut short. C. He became a teacher. D. He left school early. Answer. B. His course was cut short. What caused Joey's boredom? A. Exams. B. Lockdown. C. Travel. D. Work. Answer. B. Lockdown. What skill did Joey learn? A. Cooking. B. Sewing. C. Painting. D. Writing. Answer. B. Sewing. Where did Joey learn skills? A. School. B. YouTube tutorials. C. Books. D. Friends. Answer. B. YouTube tutorials. What materials did Joey use? A. New fabric. B. Second-hand clothes. C. Plastic. D. Paper. Answer. B. Second-hand clothes. What is upcycling? A. Throwing away clothes. B. Improving old items. C. Burning clothes. D. Buying new clothes. Answer. B. Improving old items. What is Joey's fashion style? A. Formal. B. DIY. C. Uniform. D. Luxury only. Answer. B. DIY. What clothes did he make? A. Only shirts. B. T-shirts, bags, hats. C. Only shoes. D. Only jackets. Answer. B. T-shirts, bags, hats. What machine did he borrow? A. Printing machine. B. Sewing machine. C. Cutting machine. D. Washing machine. Answer. B. Sewing machine. What does one of a kind mean? A. Common. B. Unique. C. Cheap. D. Old. Answer. B. Unique. What did he sell online? A. Books. B. Clothes. C. Toys. D. Shoes only. Answer. B. Clothes. How fast did items sell? A. Slowly. B. Within 15 minutes. C. Never sold. D. In 1 year. Answer B. Within 15 minutes. What new machine did he buy? A. Printer. B. Embroidery machine. C. Oven. D. Computer. Answer B. Embroidery machine. What does embroidery machine do? A. Wash clothes. B. Add decorative designs. C. Cut fabric. D. Iron clothes. Answer B. Add decorative designs. What style is his fashion inspired by? A. एक आठ सफ़र सफ़र. B. एक नौ नौ सफ़र पैचवर्क. C. Future style. D. Ancient style. Answer B. एक नौ नौ सफ़र as patchwork. What does baggy mean? A. Tight clothes. B. Loose clothes. C. Expensive clothes. D. Wet clothes. Answer B. Loose clothes. Who does his fashion target? A. Only teenagers. B. All age groups. C. Only children. D. Only adults. Answer B. All age groups. What is upcycle related to? A. Recycle. B. Waste. C. Burning. D. Selling. Answer A. Recycle. What is difference between recycle and upcycle? A. Same meaning. B. Upcycle improves materials. C. Recycle improves more. D. Both destroy items. Answer B. Upcycle improves materials. What helped Joey start designing? A. Money. B. Boredom and lockdown. C. School project. D. Travel. Answer B. Boredom and lockdown. What does resourceful mean? A. Lazy. B. Creative problem solver. C. Poor. D. Angry. Answer B. Creative problem solver. What does combat mean? A. Support. B. Fight against. C. Ignore. D. Celebrate. Answer B. Fight against. What does entire mean? A. Part. B. Whole. C. Small. D. Half. Answer B. Whole. What is the main idea of Joey's work? A. Fashion waste. B. Sustainable fashion. C. Sports design. D. Cooking. Answer B. Sustainable fashion. What is the overall message? A. Fashion is useless. B. Recycling and creativity can create successful fashion. C. Clothes must be expensive. D. Only designers can sew. Answer B. Recycling and creativity can create successful fashion.